Hello everyone, welcome to Dark Shark. Day 2 in our 100 Days 100 CTF series. Today we are going to learn about SMB protocol in our new machine. SMB protocol stands for Server Message Block. This is a communication protocol provides shared access to files, printers, and serial ports between endpoints on a network. We mostly see the server, this SMB services running on Windows machine on port 445. Let's start our enumeration. Let's start. Step 1. First, we are going to connect the VPN. So, let's click here, connect to the HTTP, go to starting point, open VPN. Let's download this UDP 1337. This is the VPN file which we need to connect the VPN. Go to terminal, go to root, and then go to download folders. Check the file. Yeah, we have file. Now open VPN. And go to another terminal. Refresh this browser. Just 1 minute. I think it's taking little time. Yes. Let's check the folder. Ping restart 120. Yeah, it is taking time. No worries, but just within 1 or 2 minutes it will gonna start. So we can see it. Is it working or not? Just refresh it. Here it is. You can see VPN is connected. Now we are going to start our machine. Its name is dancing. Let's start the machine. Meanwhile it is starting, let's go to the terminal. Go to root. It's in the root. Okay, here it is, we are in the root. Let's check that machine is started or not. Here it is, machine is started, so IP is 10.129.2.67. Now we are going to ping. First step is to check that is our machine is communicating or not. 2.67. 2.67, and we can see that machine is communicating from the terminal, and this machine is Windows machine because TTL value is 127. Now we are going to scan, so we will gonna use SV switch because we need the version detail. Meanwhile scanning is going on, so I'll gonna just tell you about that, what is the machine and what is the purpose of this machine. Oh sorry, I think I just entered the wrong IP. So let me just initiate the scanning. 110.129.2.67. 129.2.67. So scan is going on. Meanwhile, I'll just gonna tell you about the machine. Dancing is a Windows machine, as we can see here. And in this machine, we will gonna enumerate the SMB port. SMB stand for Server Message Block. SMB protocol is used for file sharing on the same network between two endpoints, between printers, and between serial ports. So this port, if we're gonna check that if the SMB ports are open, then we will find our flag. So let's see, is our scan is completed or not. So scan is still going on. Let's check the percentage. Okay, it's almost done, 99.9%. Okay, so if you have any query related with the SMB port, that what is SMB port and how the communication is going on, you can ask in the comment box. So SMB port is working on SMB protocol actually is working on two ports, 139 and 445. So we're gonna check one more thing, that how we can connect the SMB protocol through the Linux. So let's see. Okay, still going on. Let me open another terminal because I need it. Sudo su. Let's go to the root. Okay, and I'll first let me show you that it's connected or not. Okay, scanning is going on. One host is completed. It will take little time. Okay, here it is. You can see. So SMB protocol 135, TCP 139, 445. These are the SMB ports. So we're gonna exploit this 4451. Okay, so as we know, the port is open. So let's go. Okay, and let's go to the another terminal which we open it. Okay, now we have to install the SMB client. So for installing it, apt-get install SMB SMB client. Okay, here it is. It's already installed. Now we are going to connect. So our SMB client is already installed. So we have to check that how we can communicate with. So SMB. Okay, client means here in this we are going to check like how many users are present on this file share. Okay, connection to, oh sorry, I'm adding wrong IP, that's why it is coming 67. So you can see there are 4 users who are communicating with this IP. So admin, $, IPC, and work shares. So let's start our connection with these. Are we able to communicate with these 10.129.2.67, okay, or not? So first is admin dollar. No, we are not able to communicate. Second is SMB client, SMB client client. Okay, that is a method to communicate with it. 120 and 67 dot. So I'm gonna tell you that these are the default remote admin account, these are the default share, and this is the IPC. It's a remote IPC, and we cannot communicate with admin, $, and IPC. So let's try to communicate with this work shares. So is it gonna work or not? Let's check it. Work shares. Okay, spelling is correct. Here it is. Now we are in the SMB share folder. Let's check how many any file or folder is present. So yes, we can see ls, 2 files are here. Sorry, 2 folders are here. So let's go to the first folder. We'll check any file is present in this or not. me.j. Let's check any file present. Yeah, here it is. You can see worknode.txt. Download this. Worknode.txt. Getting file, and it's done. Exit from it. Oh, sorry, now I exit the entire thing, so I need to go again. SMB client 10 dot, because one more file is there in the james.p folder, so I need that file also. So that's why work shares. Okay, it's a default username, that's why password is not required, so you can directly go it. So cd james dot p, let me check. Here it is, our flag. So download the flag as well, because it will help us to complete our machine. The main target, getting the flag and completing this. So let's start questions and answers. What does the 3-letter acronym SMB stand for? Answer is, as I already told, server message block. What port does SMB use to operate it? 445. What is the service name port 445 Microsoft DS. What is the flag switch? Flag or switch that we can use within the SMB client to list the available shares on dancing. -L. How many shares are on there on dancing? 4. What is the name of the share we are able to access? Work shares. What is the command we can use within the SMB cell to download the files we find? Get. Now we need flag. So let's go to this. Here we are, and we have to go. No, we can check here. Okay, so flag is here, and our work notes is here. So just read the flag. Here it is, our flag. Just copy the value. Okay, it's copy. Now go to this, put the value, and submit the flag. And yeah, we get our flag. It's done. Thank you, everyone. You connected here with me. If you have any query and questions, so you can ask on the comment box.